I'm Jolie Slee at Highlight Elementary School in Bozeman, where superintendents say when students walk through these doors, you never know what they might be going through. A new program is making its way to schools in Gallatin County to help students who have recently gone through a traumatic event.
Hi, Camera. Unless a child feels safe in our environment, a child can't learn.
Deputy Superintendent Marilyn King says the Handle with Care program will create a safe space for students who need it.
So if something happened over the weekend with a student at a student's home and the student comes to school tired or unprepared for a test or without homework, the teacher would be very understanding of that.
At a press conference today, Sheriff Dan Springer announced the launch of the program.
They go to scenes and they see children that have been involved in traumatic events, whatever that might be.
He says these traumatic events can cause students to act out, resulting in discipline.
So the goal of this program is to at least notify the schools. They'll receive an email that says Handle with Care, a name and age of the child, so they can recognize that if there's some of these behaviors that they can actually engage those and get them the support.
Staff at schools in Gallatin County will undergo training to handle these students with care, providing an empathetic response, an opportunity to talk with a counselor, a break from class, or even a place to sleep. However, there are limits to how staff can intervene.
We also want to protect the individual's privacy, so it's not an opportunity for people to go seek out that child to get information.
Bozeman Police Chief Jim Velkamp says the program highlights the importance of collaboration between law enforcement agencies in Gallatin County to make sure none of these students slip through the cracks.
To do this is we have a combined records management system which allows us to work together and see the same information. And that is important in part because a lot of the students live in one of our jurisdictions but go to school in another jurisdiction.
That is the primary goal of that program. What gaps are we missing in services in order to engage these children in things better?
In Bozeman, Jolie Slee, MTN News.